Acer's Ryzen-based Nitro 5 offers amazing value at just $670 US. But there are three big compromises that you need to know about this laptop. The first major issue to be aware of is the screen. It's a 15.6-inch 1080p 60Hz panel. It's got a slower 23 millisecond response time, it's got low color gamut, the brightness is on the lower side so it looks a bit dim, and there's no FreeSync, which does mean tearing in games. I think this is the biggest downfall of the Nitro 5, but it's also kind of expected at this price point. Good screens just cost money, and this is one way that Acer is able to price the Nitro so aggressively. Now to be fair, the screen does get the job done, and you can still have a good time playing on it. Just don't have high expectations, especially if you're coming from a 144Hz option. So the first of the three main issues is the screen. To find the second one, we need to open it up. We've got a 57 watt-hour battery down the bottom, space for a 2.5-inch drive bay next to that, Wi-Fi 6 card, full-size M.2 storage slot on the left, and space for a second shorter M.2 drive on the right. When I bought this one from the US, it shipped with one 8GB stick installed. This means the laptop runs in single channel by default. You can see in this video that by adding a second stick and going to dual channel, we can get a big performance boost in games. So I definitely recommend budgeting another $40 or so to get a second 8GB DDR4 3200 stick to run in dual channel. It's a comparatively cheap extra cost to get extra performance. And again, I'm guessing they just haven't done it in order to keep that cost low. It's not all that bad though. Despite the 2.5-inch drive inside taking up precious battery space, the battery life was still seriously impressive, lasting for more than 10 hours in my YouTube playback test. The best from any gaming laptop I've ever tested. So far from my testing, Ryzen laptops just seem to do really well. Okay, so recapping, the first issue was the screen, second was single channel memory, and the third is build quality. Again, kind of expected at the lower price point, the whole machine is plastic, so it does flex quite a lot. It's not like you're gonna sit there pushing down on it or twisting the lid, so in practice, this isn't really a big problem, but just be aware that compromises have been made to the materials and build quality to keep the lower price point. The 6-core AMD Ryzen processor and NVIDIA GTX 1650 graphics run games well enough. In AAA games, you'll need to run at medium settings for that 60 FPS sweet spot, but less demanding esports titles run great at max settings. As that hardware inside isn't too powerful or anything, it just doesn't get super hot. And you've got some control over the fans if you want a louder machine but better performance, or quieter but warmer machine. Processor performance is very impressive for the price. In order to get these kinds of scores in Cinebench from a 6-core laptop, you'd be looking at more expensive Intel i7s from last year for about $900 to $1,000. So the fact that this is $670 and achieving these scores, it's quite impressive. The red backlit keyboard and plastic precision touchpad worked fine. No problems there. And I thought the speakers were pretty average. Personally, I'd stick to headphones. I/O is reasonable. The left has gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB Type-A ports, and a 3.5mm audio combo jack, while the right has a USB Type-C port, USB 2.0 Type-A port, and HDMI output. There's no Thunderbolt, and you cannot charge it over Type-C. The 720p camera is up the top, and it looks alright, and the microphone sounds decent, so fine for Zoom meetings and stuff. So all things considered, I think the Nitro 5 is offering a lot for the $670 price point. You can check updated prices with the links in the description. It runs modern games well, as long as you're cool with medium settings in AAA titles for 60 FPS. Temperatures don't get too hot, CPU performance is literally next level compared to what we had to pay last year, and the battery life is the best I've ever tested in any gaming laptop. This comes at the cost of flexible plastic build, single channel memory which reduces performance, and that lower quality screen with low color gamut, lower brightness, no FreeSync, and slower response time. Despite these issues, if you can't spend more than $700 and need a gaming laptop, the Nitro 5 is definitely worth considering. There isn't a great deal of competition at the price, and the competition that does exist is, quite frankly, going to have similar compromises anyway. The Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 I'm currently testing is about $70 more expensive, and it has a faster 120Hz screen with a better build quality. But yeah, it's about 10% more money, so it depends how strict your budget is. Make sure you're subscribed for the full review on this thing. Until then, before you buy the Nitro 5, check out how it performs in 22 different games at all setting levels in this video here. I've also compared it against other gaming laptops, including the IdeaPad, to show you how well it stacks up. So I'll see you over in that one. And if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe for future laptop reviews like this one.